Here's how to make Roblox in Infinite Craft completely from scratch. First, combine water and wind to make wave. Combine earth and wave to make sand. Combine fire and sand to make glass. Next, combine glass and wind to make window. Combine wind and wind to make tornado. Combine fire and water to make steam. Now, combine earth and steam to make mud. Combine fire and mud to make brick. Combine steam and wind to make cloud. Next, combine brick and cloud to make castle. Combine earth and wind to make dust. Combine dust and earth to make planet. Now, combine fire and planet to make sun. Combine fire and sun to make solar. Combine planet and solar to make system. Next, combine fire and system to make computer. Combine earth and fire to make lava. Combine lava and water to make stone. Now, combine steam and stone to make geyser. Combine tornado and water to make tsunami. Combine computer and tsunami to make internet. Next, combine fire and wind to make smoke. Combine wind and window to make curtain. Combine curtain and smoke to make magic. Now, combine magic and system to make program. Combine castle and internet to make Fortnite. Finally, combine Fortnite and program to make Roblox. And that's how you make Roblox in Infinite Craft. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.